Hello guys, welcome to EduForest. Today we will solve question number 2 of exercise 14.2 from chapter 14 CBSE class 10 math. Okay, now the question is given to find the modal lifetimes of the components. Means here some electrical components are given, the list of electrical components. This is the 10 electrical components, this is 35 electrical components, and this is the 52 electrical components. In this way the electrical components are given and this is the lifetime in hours. That means 10 number of electrical components have lifetime between 0 to 20 hours. Okay. Similarly 35 electrical components have lifetime between the range 20 to 40. So in this way the data is given. Now we have to find out the modal lifetimes of these electrical components. Now the question is how to find out the mode. Since this is a group series of data, so how to find out the mode? You know, to find the mode of a group series of data, first of all we have to apply the formula. What is the formula? Okay, so this is the formula you have to apply. So what is L, F1, F0 and F2, H, these symbols stands for. First of all you should know that L is the lower limit of the modal class, F1 is the frequency of the modal class, F0 is the preceding class to the modal class, that is previous class of the modal class is F0, and F2 is the frequency of the succeeding class, that means next to the modal class. Okay, then H is the class size. Okay, now here now the question arises that how to find out, how to know that which one is the modal class. Okay, now in order to find out the modal class, first of all we have to look at these frequencies. Okay, first of all look here, here the frequency, the maximum frequency is this one. Okay, this is the maximum frequency. Okay, now the class corresponding to this maximum frequency is 60 to 80. So this is the lower limit of this class, 80 is the upper limit. So lower limit is 60 and this is the maximum frequency which is known as the modal class. So this is the modal class, this is the modal frequency. Okay, now the previous, that is preceding frequency is 52 and the succeeding frequency is 38, means the frequency of the succeeding class. This is succeeding class, this is preceding class, and their frequency are taken as succeeding is taken as F2 and preceding is taken as F0. Okay, now H is the class size. Here look here, the class size is 60 to 80, that means the difference is 20. So here in every class the difference is 20. So here the class size is 20. Okay, now in this way you can find out modal class, then put these values in this equation, we will find the mode. Okay, so this is the simple way you have to apply. Okay, now let us solve this one. Okay, first of all let me erase this one because there is very little space is on this whiteboard, so I have to erase this one. Okay, now let us write this data in column form. Okay, now here it is given in the row form, that means it is written in the row, so we have to write it in the column. Okay, so let us write now guys, first of all we have to find out the modal class. Since we already know that this is the modal class, so you just mark it. Okay, now write down what is L, F1, F0, F2, everything you just write down. So write here L is 60 lower limit, then frequency, modal frequency, that is 61, then this preceding class frequency is 52, then succeeding class, that is F2 is equal to 38, okay. Then H is here 20, okay. 60 to 80, the difference is 20, so H is 20. So now write down the formula. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F2 minus F0 into H, okay. Now this equal to L plus F1 minus F0, that is 61 minus F0, that is 52 by 2F1, that is 2 into 61 minus F2, that is 38 minus F0, that is 52, okay, into H. H is 20. Now this equal to 60 plus, now this is 9, 61 minus 52, 9 by, this is 122, okay, minus, this is 90 into 20, okay. Now this is equal to how much? So let me write here. Now this equal to 60 plus 9 into 20, that is 180 by this is 120, 32, okay, 32. Now if you will cancel it by 4, so it is 4 8, so this is 4 4 is 16, therefore 5, 45 by 8, okay. So this is equal to 60 plus 45 by 8, 45 by 8 if you will express in decimal form, so 45 by 8 means 8 5 ja 40, so point, then 5 is the remainder, 50, 8 6 8 6 ja 48, so remainder is 2, so 20, and that is 8 2 ja 16, 4, so 8 5 ja 40, so 5.625 is the decimal form of this one, so that equal to 65.625, okay. So this is the answer, okay. So in this way you can find out the answer. This is the process, okay. You have to remember and you have to apply. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you really like this video, then please like it, share it, and don't hesitate to subscribe this channel, because your support is very much essential for us to grow. So thank you, take care.